If you want to run Google Shopping ads, you have to have your Merchant Center connected to the Google ad account. And if you don't, for some reason, in this video, I'll quickly show you the easiest way to do that. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Go to the ad account and go to Tools and Data Manager. This is where you connect all the different, tools and products that you want. Click on Connect Product, and you should be able to find Merchant Center pretty easily here. I would suggest you to link it directly instead of linking it through the Business Manager. Now go to your Merchant Center, and you basically need this Merchant Center ID right here. Copy it, and we will enter it right over there. Click on Next, and then Submit. Alright, so now we have sent the linking request from our ad account into our Merchant Center. So we'll have to also accept it to make it, link together. So for that, you'll need to come to Sources, then go to Apps, and this is where you'll find the linking request, which is right here for me. You can also look at the ad account to make sure it is from the same one, and in my case it is. So click on it and just and review it, and you can accept it. So that is how simple it is. If you found this video helpful, feel free to watch the rest of my content, and I'll see you in the next video.